Hey guys, today I wanted to give you an update on my test Shopify store. I had launched a print-on-demand Shopify store with a single design in a trending niche at the end of April. So the shop is about 3 months old now, and it has made 35 sales to date. Most notably, the first sale came within 7 days of launching the site, which I thought was impossible because I haven't run any ads. This has been completely organic exposure from Google that has led to all of my sales, 35 sales to date. So what I really wanted to share with you in this video is number one, that it can be done. And this is news to me. This is why we test. Just because I'm a talking head on a screen right now doesn't mean I have all the answers, and I'm not going to mislead you into thinking I do. The reality was I didn't know what to expect with this experiment, but I decided to give it a go. And I will mention, if you want to try something like this, use my link in the description to start a Shopify store. If you don't use it, you won't lock in any discounts. My link will give you $1 a month for the first 3 months. So you might as well use it, right? So I launched this store at the end of April. One thing I did that I thought was notable is my domain name is 3 words, and they're basically what I think people would type into the search bar, in this case, Google, that would want to find my website and purchase from me. Now, I'm not going to give you the niche. I don't stand to benefit at all whatsoever from telling you what the site is or the niche. I will mention that I sell hats in this niche. And I mean, I'm very comfortable selling hats. I sell t-shirts all day, but I also sell a lot of hats. I like hats because if I'm on like Amazon, for instance, I don't have to compete directly with Amazon merch products. And hey, if I can sell them on Amazon, I can sell them on Etsy. You guys see where I'm going with this? And if I can sell them on Etsy, I can sell them on Walmart, right? And if I start seeing an overlap, a lot of sales in a consistent niche, sometimes I'm going to spin off a Shopify store and see where it takes me. Ultimately, that's what I wanted to share with you in this video, is that apparently this is a thing, all right? Because it's working for me right now, and I intend on launching a lot more Shopify stores, especially with the MyDesigns Shopify integration going live. But just so you know, this store that I'm referring to is using primarily Printful and Printify to stock the various hats. All the hats have the same design on them. So that's really it. I can't think of what else to say. I mean, okay, update. I'm going to run some Twitter ads and see if I can get some, really spike the sales doing that. But 35 sales to date, all organic with $0 ad spend on Shopify. And the first sale came within 7 days. That is the real takeaway of this video. That means it's possible. I don't get any special treatment because I'm a YouTuber or anything like that. And I will continue to update you guys on this progress if it's something you're interested in. I don't talk a lot about Shopify print on demand on this channel because I'm pretty new to it. Let's be real. I've always preferred to carve out internet real estate on the major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, like Etsy, and the likes of them, because it just solves one of the issues that most people run into, which is no visibility to your listings, right? We can solve that real easily by being on the major e-commerce platforms, but I think it has to do with Shopify getting favorable treatment with Google indexing, because I don't know how I got indexed and made a first sale within 7 days of launching the site. That one blew my mind because I've been a web developer since 2008, I would say, when I launched my first site. I think I actually launched my first one in 2007, but back then, man, it took forever to get like trusted by the algorithm on Google. Generally speaking, we're broad stroking here. And 7 days, that's really impressive. So guys, let me know, have you had any success with Shopify print on demand? Do you have any tips and tricks for me? Oh yeah, the last thing I'll mention, I paid somebody to trick out my Shopify store for me. You know what I mean? Because time is money and I don't have that much time these days. Charged like $100 and made my Shopify store look really good. I can put a link to his gig in the description right beneath my Shopify link. So guys, I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know. I will answer them on YouTube in the comment section. Please hit that like button for the algorithm and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.